Welcome to CloudStudioVideos, short DevOps Cloud and AWS tutorials. Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to show you the second option how you can administer AWS account using the command line. So the option that I want to show you in this video is CloudShell. So this is the second option. First option is to use AWS CLI to install the package on your PC and then to use command line to administer AWS account. And the second option is the CloudShell, and this is the icon that you need to find and start the CloudShell. After starting the CloudShell, the AWS will create in the environment. You need to wait a couple of seconds, and the CloudShell will show up, and it looks like this. And first that I want to show you is that you can configure the font, so you can configure the font size, and also you can configure the theme, so light and or dark. And then so now I want to show you how you can use the CloudShell to administer the AWS account. So the best way, in my opinion, to show you how you can execute commands in CloudShell is to, for example, create some user accounts in identity and access management and some groups, and configure the access policy and to add users into the groups, and then we can then remove everything and clean up the users. So the important thing is that when you start CloudShell, you will have permissions of the account that you are logged into the AWS console. So I'm logged in as an admin, so I have full permissions. So first, what I'm going to do, I will create users. So I will create 3 test users. So test user 1 command is AWS em create user, username test user 1. All right, so I will create test user 2, and I will create test user 3. All right, after users, I will then create a test group. So command is AWS em create group name test group. After creating a group, I will add users, these test users, into the test group. So first I will add user 1 into the test group, then I will add user 2, and I will add user 3 also into the group. All right. Then what I need to do, I will attach policy, access policy, into the group. So this is the command to attach read-only access policy for the AWS account. This is the command. So em attach group policy name test group, group name test group, and the policy name is read-only access. So let's now see what we done so far. So first we created the users. So we will refresh user list. All right, so we created test users. Then we created a group, test group. Then we added users into the group. So I am entering into the group and I see the users. Then also we attach the policy to the group. So this is the test group, and there is the policy attached to the group, the policy read-only access. So when we added users into the group, users automatically receive these permissions, read-only access. All right, and that's it. How you can use command line to execute commands in AWS account, and to in this case create groups and users. So now I will remove everything that I created. So okay, so first thing that I will do, I will detach the access policy from the group, and this is the command for detaching the access policy. Detach group policy, group name test group, and access policy name. One moment. All right, and the next step is to remove users from the group. So I'll remove the user 1, and now I will remove the user 2. Command is remove users from the group, and then you say first the username and then the group name. Okay, we remove the users. Now we are going to delete the users. So first we are deleting the user. Command is delete user, deleting the user 1, deleting the user 2, deleting the user 3, and at the end we are deleting the group. Alright, so the command is deleting the group. So we deleted everything. So let's see if we now see the users. So we see the group. Let me refresh. Okay, there is no group now. And users, if we refresh, yeah. So we deleted everything that we previously created, and this is the way how you can use the CloudShell in AWS. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.